Okay everybody, Keith Best here once again, and in this video I'm going to go through the second change, which is basically the exporting of the xFields, which, as you all know, I'm a great believer in the xFields, and basically I use loads of them. So to me this is like a huge time saver, because I can now add all my new xFields to all my old sites quite easily. So as you can see, this is the one I used in the last video, and it's got that one xField in. Now this is one of the other ones which has got a full suite of xFields in, like that. Okay, and it's got spintext shortcodes, and it's got all sorts of other stuff in. It's got a location setting. Okay, so dead easy. All you do, go to settings. Scroll down, find import export. Go to here. Now I want to export this one, so I'm going to hit export. Now you can choose to export just one part of it, two parts of it, whichever you want. Just for demo, I'm just going to do them all. Do export. I'm just going to save it. So if I call this one demo 2020.txt, okay. Save that. Excuse me. So that's now saved. So if we now go to here, as you can see, I've got phone number and it's got that in. Go to settings. Scroll down. Import export. Now obviously this time I want to import the data. I'm going to import them all. I'm going to hit upload, and it was demo. That's that one. Press open, and it's going to come with a little message. Now if you merge, that basically means it will, if you've got other xFields in there, it will merge them. However, if you've got the same one in, like I've got a phone number field in there, and I've obviously got a phone number field in this one, the new phone number field will, the data in the new phone number field will overwrite the old data. Okay, just be aware of that when you're doing it. So if you've got 4 or 5 fields that you want to keep, and you've got the same data fields in this one, then make sure you change the name of them, or delete them out of this one before you import them in, whichever. Okay, because if you do merge, it will overwrite. If you do overwrite, obviously it's going to overwrite it. So I'm just going to go overwrite on this one. So overwrite. And there you got a little success. There we go. So if we go back into Magic Page now. Scroll down. So there we've got all of them in now. And like I say, the phone number is now changed because it was before 01915678890. So if we do a refresh. There we go. So just be aware, if you do have xFields already in there that have the same name, you are going to lose the data in them. So you would need, all you need to do is do an edit and change that number to phone number X or whatever. Or change them in the other side, whichever one you want to do. I've got the spintext descriptions in, I've got the titles in, and I've got that in. So that is it. Dead simple. Nice little time saver. Hope you've enjoyed it. Catch you on the next video. Bye.